Illuminating cellular health. How light fixes mitochondria. What if I told you that the tiny powerhouses inside your cells, your mitochondria, can be fixed, regenerated, and supercharged using nothing but light? It sounds like science fiction, but groundbreaking research reveals this is absolutely real. Your cells are literally waiting for illumination. Mitochondria are the microscopic energy generators in nearly every cell of your body. They convert the food you eat and the air you breathe into ATP, the universal energy currency that powers everything from your heartbeat to your thoughts. When they falter, your entire system feels the effects. But here's the challenge we're facing. Modern living is tough on our mitochondria. Chronic stress, environmental toxins, processed foods, and sedentary lifestyles all damage these delicate cellular structures. The signs of mitochondrial dysfunction are everywhere. Persistent fatigue that sleep doesn't fix, brain fog that caffeine can't clear, muscle weakness, headaches, and accelerated aging. Beyond these daily struggles, compromised mitochondria are implicated in nearly every chronic disease, from diabetes and heart disease to Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Medical science has struggled to find effective treatments that target the root cause. Most conventional approaches only manage symptoms rather than restoring cellular function. But what if the solution was as fundamental as light itself? Enter photobiomodulation, a scientific term for how light interacts with our biology. Specific wavelengths of red and near-infrared light between 600 and 900 nanometers can penetrate deep into our tissues and directly influence our mitochondria. When these light photons reach the mitochondria, something remarkable happens. They interact with an enzyme called cytochrome C oxidase, a key component in energy production. This interaction breaks up nitric oxide that might be blocking the enzyme, increases oxygen consumption, and stimulates the production of ATP. But it doesn't stop there. This light exposure also triggers mild beneficial stress responses in your cells, activating protective mechanisms and stimulating the creation of new, healthier mitochondria, a process called mitochondrial biogenesis. It's essentially cellular exercise, strengthening your mitochondrial networks from within. The evidence for light therapy's effectiveness is compelling and growing rapidly. In a landmark study at the University of California, researchers found that just 15 minutes of daily red light exposure increased cellular energy production by 19% in aging adults. Consider Sarah, a 45-year-old client who struggled with crushing fatigue for years. Medical tests showed elevated markers of inflammation and oxidative stress, classic signs of mitochondrial dysfunction. After 6 weeks of consistent red light therapy, not only did her energy levels double, but follow-up testing showed dramatically improved mitochondrial efficiency and reduced cellular stress markers. Or take the groundbreaking research from Harvard Medical School, where scientists demonstrated that regular near-infrared light exposure could reverse vision decline associated with aging, a condition directly linked to mitochondrial dysfunction in retinal cells. The medical applications extend further, with documented benefits for wound healing, muscle recovery, brain injury, and even neurodegenerative diseases, all connected through the common pathway of enhanced mitochondrial function. Light therapy represents a paradigm shift in how we think about healing, working with your body's innate cellular mechanisms rather than overriding them. By supporting and enhancing mitochondrial function with specific wavelengths of light, we can address the root cause of numerous health challenges and unlock natural energy production. If you found this illuminating, make sure to subscribe to Echoes of Wisdom for our upcoming videos exploring practical applications of light therapy, optimal dosing protocols, and how to incorporate this powerful approach into your daily routine. Share your experiences with light therapy in the comments below. Has it helped your energy levels or health? I'd love to hear your story. Join our channel, Better Body Doctors, as we explore natural therapies, advanced treatment modalities, and share insight into dealing with pain and how to alleviate it. Check the link in the description to LifeWave therapy patches and discover the healing properties of LifeWave patches. You can order them through the link provided.